Hello everyone, and welcome. Glowing Star. Today, we are going to start with energy, focus, and no distractions. In a moment, you will see an image that we will describe using basic, intermediate, and advanced English. This will help you improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking skills step by step. At the end of each level, we will learn new vocabulary words and their meanings to expand your English even more. Get ready to learn, practice, and enjoy the process. Let's begin right now. Basic English. God gives us life, power, and glory. In this beautiful image, a woman is praying to God in a clean and peaceful room. She is wearing a lovely dress and looking up with faith and hope. The room is bright, calm, and organized. It shows a place where a person can think, pray, and feel close to God. The woman believes that God is the source of life. Every day, God gives us strength to continue when we are tired. He gives us hope when we feel sad and courage when we face problems. Through prayer, we can talk to God and thank Him for His blessings. The light in the room represents God's presence. It reminds us that God is always with us, even during difficult times. When we trust Him, He helps us stand up again and continue moving forward. This image teaches an important lesson about faith, gratitude, and trust. God lifts us with power and glory. He gives us life, peace, and joy. No matter what challenges we face, we can always pray and believe that God is guiding us. When we keep faith in our hearts, we become stronger, kinder, and more hopeful. God's love is a light that never goes out and always shines in our lives. Vocabulary. Prayer. Faith. Hope. Strength. Blessing. Light. Peace. Joy. Trust. Courage. Presence. Guidance. Love. Life. Glory. Intermediate English. The power of prayer and faith in God. This inspiring image portrays a woman praying to God in a clean and peaceful environment. Her elegant dress and respectful posture reflect humility, faith, and devotion. The bright room symbolizes purity and the presence of divine light, creating an atmosphere of serenity and spiritual connection. Prayer is one of the most powerful ways to communicate with God. It allows us to express gratitude, seek guidance, and find comfort during difficult moments. The woman in the image demonstrates complete trust in God's plan and believes that He can provide strength in every situation. Life often presents challenges that test our patience and determination. However, faith gives us the courage to persevere. God lifts us with His power and glory, helping us overcome obstacles and continue moving forward. Through His love, we receive encouragement, wisdom, and hope. The image also reminds us that God is the giver of life. Every breath, opportunity, and blessing comes from Him. By maintaining a strong relationship with God, we can experience inner peace and spiritual growth. This scene encourages people to remain faithful, thankful, and confident in God's promises. Even in uncertain times, His light continues to shine. Through prayer and trust, we discover strength, purpose, and the assurance that God is always beside us. Vocabulary. Inspiring. Environment. Humility. Devotion. Purity. Serenity. Guidance. Comfort. Determination. Persevere. Obstacles. Encouragement. Wisdom. Spiritual growth. Assurance. Advanced English. God's transformative power and the gift of life. This remarkable image captures a profound moment of spiritual devotion as a woman kneels in prayer within a pristine and tranquil room. Her dignified attire reflects respect and reverence, while the radiant light surrounding her symbolizes the majesty and presence of God. The scene conveys a timeless message regarding faith, gratitude, and divine empowerment. Prayer represents far more than a religious practice. It is a transformative dialogue between humanity and the Creator. Through sincere prayer, individuals seek wisdom, strength, and reassurance amid life's uncertainties. The woman's posture illustrates complete surrender to God's will and unwavering confidence in His divine purpose. Throughout history, people have turned to God during moments of adversity, recognizing Him as the ultimate source of hope and renewal. His power elevates individuals beyond their limitations, enabling them to confront challenges with resilience and determination. His glory serves as a reminder that human achievements are strengthened by divine grace. Furthermore, the image emphasizes the precious gift of life bestowed by God. Every opportunity, relationship, and accomplishment reflects His benevolence and love. By cultivating faith and maintaining a grateful heart, believers develop deeper spiritual maturity and inner peace. Ultimately, this image inspires viewers to trust in God's guidance, embrace His blessings, and recognize that His power and glory continue to illuminate every aspect of life. Vocabulary: profound, devotion, pristine, tranquil, dignified, reverence, radiant, majesty, transformative, reassurance, unwavering, adversity, renewal, resilience, benevolence, spiritual maturity, illuminate, divine grace, creator, empowerment. Great job today, glowing star. Today, you made progress, and if you continue practicing like this every day, you will become better and more confident in English step by step. Remember, every small effort brings you closer to your goals. Keep learning, keep improving, and never give up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. I'll see you in the next video, specially made for you. Rocket.